Frustrated by the Mscoreei DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before starting the detailed Mscoreei fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Mscoreei, the Microsoft .NET Runtime Execution Engine. It provides unmanaged support for loading and initializing the Common Language Runtime, CLR, facilitating the foundational data link for .NET manifests. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Mscoreei is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Mscoreei file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Keep in mind that Mscoreei.dll must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Mscoreei. If you've regained access to Mscoreei, thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.